In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account not private. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok and there hit on your profile icon to open up your profile. Now hit on these three lines icon, hit on settings and privacy, and there hit on privacy. Now there on the top position we got private account option. Now it toggled on. It means that my account is private now, and to make it not private, it means public account. All I have to do is hit on that switcher and it says switch to public account. I can hit on switch and now my account is no more private. There is one limitation that not allows you to do that. It's if when you registered your TikTok account you set your age less than 16, you wouldn't be able to change that switcher to public account. In other cases you can do it, and now you can scroll down to set how public you wish to make your account. So you can open up comments and set who can comment on your videos, to everyone or to just friends or to no one. And also you can set up mentions and tags, following lists, duets, and bunch of other different options here. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.